Hi, my name's Lexi and I'm the product designer for Vooray. And today we're talking about the Alana Duffel. I love the Alana Duffel because you can wear it multiple ways. I actually call this bag the shapeshifter because I can wear it using these tote straps, or if I undo the magnetic snaps on the side right here, you can use it and wear the shoulder strap that is both adjustable and removable. And look how fun that is, a whole new bag. Or if you want the Alana to go back to its original shape, you simply just remove the shoulder strap and fold the sides so they magnetically snap back into place. Let's get into the features of this bag because there's a lot. On the front are 2 pockets, easy access to slide your keys into and other small items. On the back side of this bag is a hidden phone pocket, so you always know where your phone is. Additionally, we have a zippered pocket along the back that duals as a luggage sleeve. Simply just undo the zipper along the bottom and slide your luggage handles through the bag and take this bag on the go with you. This bag comes with 2 additional features. First, we have a shoe bag with a top loop handle and easy cinch opening. It can also double as a laundry bag. Next, we have the wet dry bag. This bag is great for any makeup or shampoo bottles that you don't want to spill or get wet on the inside of this bag. This bag has pockets on pockets and pockets, and let me show you. On the inside here, we have a laptop sleeve that's both padded and has a magnetic closure to keep it secure and in place. On the other side, there's 3 interior zip pockets, 1 up top and 2 mesh pockets down below, along with a key clip that you can use for your keys or attach the wet dry pocket to it. And then on the inside, as if there's not already enough pockets, we've got 2 mesh pockets, great for a water bottle or anything else that you might need to store in this bag. It's the perfect bag to take anywhere and everywhere. We can't wait to see where you take Vooray. The Alana is also available in the Weekender and the Mini.